Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Mk7 versus the Mk4. We'll explore their key differences across performance, interior features, and overall driving experience. This comparison will help you decide which generation best suits your needs and preferences. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed choice. Let's dive into the specifics of each model. When it comes to performance, the Mk7 typically boasts more modern engines, often delivering higher horsepower and improved fuel economy. The Mk4, while older, is celebrated for its robust engine designs, which are often simpler and highly receptive to aftermarket modifications. Both generations offer exciting turbocharged variants, providing a thrilling driving experience. Stepping inside, the Mk7 presents a significantly more modern cabin, featuring advanced infotainment systems, touchscreens, and connectivity options. The Mk4 interior is more utilitarian, focusing on functionality over cutting-edge technology. Furthermore, the Mk7 incorporates many more contemporary safety features, offering enhanced protection for occupants compared to its predecessor. The driving experience differs notably. The Mk7 offers a more refined, comfortable, and technologically assisted ride. In contrast, the Mk4 provides a raw, mechanical, and highly engaging feel, often preferred by purists. When considering overall value, factors like initial cost, maintenance expenses, and the availability of parts should be carefully weighed for both models.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.